Yo, what's up everybody? Welcome to Apps for Everyday People. Today we're shifting gears to talk about driving apps that can seriously upgrade your driving experience. Whether you're a seasoned road tripper or just navigating the daily commute, having the right apps can make all the difference. From finding the quickest routes to saving money on gas and staying safe on the road, let's dive in. First up, we've got the OG of navigation, Google Maps. Google Maps isn't just about getting you from point A to B. It's about finding the best way to get there. Real-time traffic updates, multiple route options, and lane guidance ensure you never miss a turn. Plus, offline maps are a lifesaver when you're venturing off the beaten path. Next, we're talking Waze, the crowdsourced navigation app that's all about outsmarting traffic. Waze users report accidents, speed traps, and construction, helping you avoid delays. It learns your frequent routes and driving patterns, suggesting optimal times to leave and rerouting you if there's a faster way. Waze also helps you find the cheapest gas prices and alerts you about speed cameras. Speaking of gas prices, let's talk Gas Buddy, the app dedicated to finding the cheapest fuel. Just open the app, input your location, and Gas Buddy shows nearby gas stations with current prices. It's a must-have for road trips, especially with fluctuating gas prices. Now, finding a parking spot. It's the ultimate test of patience, right? But it doesn't have to be stressful. Spot Hero connects drivers with available parking spots in garages and lots across major cities. Search for parking near your destination, compare prices, and reserve your spot in advance. It's a game changer for busy downtown areas. Comment below to tell us what apps you use. Next up, we've got Dashcam, the app that turns your smartphone into a dashboard camera. Dashcam apps record video footage of your drives, often with features like loop recording, GPS tracking, and G-sensor technology. It's valuable for insurance purposes, capturing scenic drives, or having evidence in case of an accident. Let's shift gears to an app that's all about helping you become a safer driver. DriveWise. DriveWise uses your phone's sensors to analyze your driving habits, providing personalized feedback and tips for improvement. It tracks speed, acceleration, braking, and cornering, helping you identify areas for improvement. Now, safety is paramount when you're on the road, and that's where SOS Smart comes in. So Smart uses your phone's GPS to pinpoint your location and connect you with emergency services with just a few taps. It can also automatically notify your emergency contacts, giving you and your loved ones peace of mind. Keeping up with car maintenance can be a chore, but it's essential for avoiding costly repairs. CarMinder Plus helps you stay on top of all your vehicle's maintenance needs. Log fuel refills, track mileage, schedule service appointments, and get reminders for upcoming maintenance tasks. CarMinder Plus ensures your vehicle stays in tip-top shape. What's a good road trip without an epic soundtrack? Spotify offers a vast library of music, podcasts, and audiobooks. Its driver-friendly features include an intuitive interface and voice control integration. Easily switch songs, adjust the volume, and get personalized recommendations without taking your hands off the wheel. Finally, for those who prefer not to drive alone, there's BlaBlaCar. BlaBlaCar is a ride-sharing platform that connects drivers with passengers heading in the same direction. Drivers can offset travel costs, and passengers can enjoy a more affordable and social way to get around. BlaBlaCar emphasizes safety with user profiles, reviews, and verification systems. So, there you have it. 10 must-have apps that can transform your driving experience. From finding the best routes and saving money on gas to staying safe and entertained, these apps have got you covered. Remember, responsible app usage is key. Minimize distractions and prioritize safety. Drive safe and stay savvy. There's an app out there for everyone. Don't forget to subscribe and like our channel to receive updates on our new video content.